Hello, hello. Magandang araw sa lahat. Gerard Claudio here. Kamusta? Kamusta guys? How is everybody? And my name is Gerard Claudio. For those po na first time po makikinig dito or who just followed my uh, business page, gusto ko po kayong i-welcome and I hope na marami kayong value na nakuha dito sa ating sa mga content na ginagawa ko dito. And I am an active network marketer. Ibig sabihin po, I am speaking from a perspective of experience and I'm also mentoring different network marketers sa iba't ibang mga companies, no? Nag-offer tayo ng one-on-one mentoring and also for companies, I'm also offering trainings for network marketers sa iba't ibang mga network marketing companies, no? So, that's what I do. So, anyway, for kung nandito ka right now at saka kaka-plug in mo lang, gusto ko again i-welcome ka kasi masaya akong nakakita ng mga ka-network marketer. Now, regardless of your company, product, or compensation plan, kung nasaan ka man, we're really excited guys na lalo na kung first time mo, alam mo yun, excited sa community, excited tayo, welcome sa industry, no? Hindi po madali ang network marketing, lalo na kung bago po kayo. Don't fall into the trap na madali siya. Wala pong madali ng network marketing opportunity. It doesn't matter kung ano po yung kumpanya na pinapasukan mo, wala pong madali. Ang tanong lang is worth it ba tong gawin? Yun lang naman po yung tanong dyan, di ba? So anyway, kung first time mo, type mo dyan first time, maybe first time mo mag-follow sa akin, first time mo makinig sa akin dito, type mo first time, and then pakidrop yung location mo para along the way, as I do this live stream, ma-welcome kita. Or maybe mamaya, no, maka-reply ako sa'yo dyan sa my comments. No? So, ang pag-uusapan natin dito sa live na to is why your heart matters in network marketing. Like, maybe some of you are thinking, bakit pinag-uusapan yung puso? 'Di ba? Kapag sinabing heart, most of the time, people think of, iniisip ng mga tao about love, alam mo yun, romantic love. Pero allow me to discuss further bakit naniniwala ako na yung puso ng bawat isa is mahalaga po sa network marketing. So dito sa network marketing, nung nagsisimula po ako, parang pakiram ko parang it's all about hustle, grind, yun yung mindset, which is, yun ang gusto nating mentality, of course. Kailangan itodo, di ba? May mga naririnig pa ako na mga done deal, do whatever it takes, di ba? Don't dwell, go next. Ganong klaseng mga principle. Totoo yun. Bakit? Kasi ang iniiwasan natin kasi sa network marketing, yung overthinking, yung excuses, yung mga, alam mo yung mga ganon, no? Totoo yun. Totoo talaga yun, no? Napakahalaga na iwasan natin as much as we can. In fact, we should eradicate excuses. So, hindi dapat na mas marami pang excuses mo kaysa sa hataw mo. I completely agree with that, no? And then, syempre, hindi naman lahat talaga ng kakausapin mo sasabay. Hindi lahat ng sasabay nagsistay. So, the numbers are there. So, just put the numbers. Ganun. Ako, I'm believer of numbers, no? Pero, gusto kong i-emphasize sa webinar na to, or sa live stream na to, yung isang principle na napakahalaga po, yung puso natin sa network marketing. Anong ibig kong sabihin na mahalaga yung puso mo sa network marketing? Tatandaan mo, kung ano ang nasa puso mo, lalabas yan kapag nag-build ka ng network marketing business mo. Okay? And para sa akin, napakahalaga nito kasi we are building people. We don't just build a business, we build people. You don't just build an income-generating machine. We don't just build an income-generating platform. We build people in network marketing. Ibig sabihin, nag-e-engage tayo sa mga tao. And I think yan yung isang bagay na nakakalikitaan ng karamihan na pumapasok sa network marketing, lalong-lalo na kung nabenta yung idea ng network marketing sa'yo na napakadali dito, ano yung madali dito, ganon. Maglagay ka lang ng ganito, hindi mo kailangang gumalaw, may mga nagbebenta pa na hindi kailangang humataw. Alam mo yun, kikita ka ng passive dito kahit wala kang gagawin. So, nabenta yung idea ng network marketing as just mere an income generating platform. Nawala yung puso, nawala yung soul, nawala yung kaluluwa ng pagnenegosyo. I don't know kung nag-guess yung ibig kong sabihin. I hope I'll find justice kapag pinag-usapan natin to dito sa content natin, no, in the next couple of minutes, okay? So by the way, again, kung first time mo, type mo dyan first time, and then if you agree. So what I mean is ganito, no? Kapag nakikipag-usap ka sa prospect, lagi mong tatandaan, ang prospect mo, wag mo lang siyang titingnan na parang pay in lang. Alam mo yun, you just treat the person as a transaction. Hindi ko sinabing hindi tayo mag-aim ng income. Hindi ko sinabing hindi tayo mag-aim ng, hindi tayo mag-goal ng profit. Hindi yun ang ibig kong sabihin. Pero ang ibig kong sabihin, bawat transaction mo, lalo na sa mga prospect mo, tatandaan mo, may pangarap yan, may goal yan, may fear yan, may doubt yan. And nawawala ang puso kapag pera ang motivation natin sa pagnenegosyo. Nawawala na yung concept ng caring o pag-aalala o pagbibigay atensyon sa pangangailangan ng iba dahil sa ang akala natin ay it's all about transaction. That's only for prospect. Next is mas lalo na kung naging part na ng business or community mo yan. Ang napapansin ko karamihan sa network marketing, ganito yung nangyayari. We so look up on mentors na parang kulang na lang i-worship natin yung mga mentors natin na nakalimutan natin it's all about serving the people. So, we regard so much of our mentors. Eto, mentor ko, eto, upline ko, ganito. Pero nakalimutan natin that more than just highlighting the superstars, it's taking care of the new people. So, yun yung sinasabi kong nawawala yung soul, nawawala yung puso. Naniniwala ako na ang network marketing is all about a business of service. Kapag pumasok ang teammate, kapag pumasok ang prospect, kapag pumasok ang customer, your goal within your capacity is ma-serve sila. And yun yung concept na I am thriving to progress. Sinabi kong progress kasi guys, kahit ako, hindi naman ako perfecto. May mga time, syempre ano yun, there are so many things that happens. 'Di ba? Pero ang gusto kong i-highlight dito is, kapag pumasok ka sa network marketing, wag mong kakalimutan na lagyan siya ng puso. It is not all about transactions only. Hindi ka nakikipag-connect sa AI, hindi ka nakikipag-transact sa robot, hindi ka nakikipag-transact sa machine. Nakikipag-transact ka sa isang tao na nagbigay ng tiwala niya, na yung tiwala niya ibinigay niya sa'yo, na yung tiwalang yan is, I hope, gamitin mo para i-grow yung pangarap niya. Nakuha niyo ba yung ibig kong sabihin? Type nyo gets, type nyo yes, type nyo tama. Hello, June Cordova. Magandang araw. First time. Wow, welcome po, no? Happy to see you here. Tama. If ang transaction mo sa network marketing ay puro pera lang, you will be a person who will lack loyalty. You will be a person who will just aim for things para sa sarili mo. Which is, I'm not saying it's wrong. If that's how you that's how you look at your life, then that's how you look at your life. But personally, you can also build network marketing nang may puso ka. Nang may care ka sa tao. Yung tinitingnan mo ang welfare ng ibang tao. That's why there's so many transactions sa network marketing na betrayal na ang nangyayari. People are putting down after the other. They put down one person and put down the other because the goal is just to make money. Again, hindi machine, hindi robot, hindi AI ang binubuo mo sa network marketing. Kaya nasabi ko last time doon sa isang training ko na kahit lumago pa ang technology ng AI will never replace network marketing as a business. Hindi po mawawala ang network marketing dahil may AI. In fact, mas mai-ignite mo ang network marketing mo using AI. By the way, speaking of that, on July 18, pakitingnan po dito sa comments, meron po ako dito sa comments yung 3 steps to discover your rejection-proof strategy. Okay, so meron ako dyan. Kung hindi ka pa naka-register, register ka. Libre po yan. I made it free. You're supposed to have merong dapat meron dapat akong charge diyan. Pero I made it free for those na gustong matuto. Register ka. That's July 18, 9 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. Sabado po yan. So for those na wala pong work, you can freely. I hope you find way to be there, no? So kung hindi ka pa naka-register, register ka na. Pero kung naka-register ka, type mo sa may comment registered para makita natin. Okay? So, Alexander Estos, Ruth Miaboo, Maria, Nora, kamusta? So, huwag pong mawawala ang puso. Now, there is a tension between being caring and pushing for your goal. Pero sasabihin ko sa inyo, wala naman pong contradiction yung ikaw yung tipo ng network marketer na talagang nagpo-push harder ka for your goal at the same time, caring for the people around you. Nakuha niyo ba yung ibig kong sabihin? You can do both. Hindi mo kailangan pumili na ano ko, ano na lang to, puro na lang tayo group hug dito. Ano tayo, mag-ano lang tayo dito, magke-create na lang tayo ng ano dito, ng club dito, hindi na business. Hindi yun yung sinasabi ko. But every single time na nagtatransact ka sa mga tao, regardless kung prospect mo man yan, downline mo man yan, upline mo man yan, or crossline mo man yan, you have to put the heart into it. And never, ever, ever forget that you are dealing with people. Do I make sense? People stay because of trust. Alam mo, isa sa mga bagay na natutunan ko, people are so cheap with their words. Napaka-cheap ng mga salita ng mga tao sa loob ng network marketing. That is why there are so many people, maraming mga tao that they hate network marketing because we're so cheap, napaka-cheap ng mga kataga. We just throw out words. Alam mo, marami akong mga ganyan na-encounter. Sabi niya, Coach, sasabay ako sa'yo. Coach, ganito. Coach, wag mo lang kami bababayaan. And then eventually, they betray your trust. Or may mga iba naman na they make a lot of thousands of promises to their downlines, into everyone in the world. But then they say they failed. That as if their words are becoming cheap. Wag na wag mawawala ang puso sa network marketing. Kung pera lang ang motivation mo sa network marketing, you are ready to betray people. You will always be ready to do unethical practices without caring for another person. Network marketing is a business that requires a heart. Yes, this is a sales business. Sales, of course, you close deal, you go out there, you close another deal, you make transactions after transactions. But as you make transactions, never ever forget na ang kinakausap mo, sasali yan, either dahil gusto niyang may mag-improve na gusto niya may mag-improve sa health niya, gusto niya mag-improve yung aspeto ng buhay na nakikita niya, or gusto niyang makuha yung pangarap niya. At the end of the day, I just wanted to say this, kung you can build a business na ikaw lang sarili mong iniisip mo. You can always do that. Pero ito, binibigyan kita ng isang aspeto ng titingnan mo yung network marketing business mo. So, you will transition in your network marketing business from anong ma-avail ko dito, ano yung makukuha ko dito versus ano yung pwedeng value ibigay ko sa isang ibang tao. How can I use my network marketing business to show care, to show that I care, to show that I really to show my love for the people, for my customers, for my prospects, to my teammates. Are you learning? Natututo ba kayo? Type nyo nga learning, type nyo yes, agree ako sa sinasabi mo, Gerard. I don't know kung narinig nyo na yung mga ganitong klaseng learning, pero ako guys, naniniwala ako sa ganun. Tandaan nyo kaya ko kayong turuan ng mga tactics, skills, strategy. Maybe some of you already got my course. Alam nyo that at par, I can teach you the details kung paano gagawin ng network marketing. That's one thing to win in network marketing. Kailangan may skill set ka. But at the same time, I hope magstay yung humanness. Alam mo yun, yung pagiging tao mo. I hope you don't treat your network marketing team as just network marketing team, as income producing machines. Hello, George Ombo, Mindoro, kamusta? You're welcome po. You're welcome. Learning, Alexander. Do I make sense? Alam mo, kung hindi natin tatanggalin yung puso natin sa negosyo natin, liliit ang mga negativity ng mga tao sa network marketing. Maraming mga tao sumasali sa network marketing, galit na galit sa network marketing kasi pumasok sila sa network marketing that they feel like they were taken advantage of by the network marketing community na pinasukan nila. Which is personally for me, it's not necessary. Pwede mo naman gawin yun. You just don't care for people. No? You just care for income. You just care for goals. We are here for business and all. But I hope wag mawawala. Wag mawawala yung puso sa pagnenegosyo. James Bautista, Angels, hello. Are you learning? Type nyo nga learning. You see, people can peop, every network marketer can always brag about how huge the income opportunity to their company. Dito tayo kasi madali, dito tayo mababa capital, dito tayo kasi malaking kita dito kaysa sa iba. You can always do that. You can always have what we call unique selling proposition. You can always do that. Dito sa amin, ganito kami. Dito sa iba, ganito, ganito, ganito. I'm also doing that, making those comparisons. Pero ang puso ng network marketing ay pagkakaroon ng puso sa network marketing. Grabe! Ang puso sa ng network marketing ay pagkakaroon ng puso sa network marketing. I hope, sinabi ko to sa last ko na live last time. I hope. Nalalabas ka ng network marketing na mas mabuti kang tao, mas maayos kang tao. Hindi yung pumasok ka dito, maayos kang tao, may integrity ka, lumabas ka, wala ka ng silbi. Alam mo bakit? Sinira ka na, kinain ka na ng sistema, sinasabi nila. Dati, may isang salita ka pa. Ngayon, hindi ka na mapagkatiwalaan. Kasi pera na lang iniisip mo. Nakuha nyo? Dati may puso ka pa sa tao nung pumasok ka sa network marketing na wala na kasi puro na lang goals at saka incentives ang naiisip mo. So wala ka nang pakialam kahit makasagasa ka ng ibang tao. Kasi anyway, pera lang naman ang habol ko dito. Kaya sinasabi ko, I hope you become a better person when you go inside network marketing. I hope yung network marketing baguhin ka na maging maayos kang tao. Hindi yung sinira ka. Kasi akala mo goals lang, yaman, sports car. The heart of network marketing is having a heart in network marketing. I love, bebe mo I love. Ganda na pakala, di ba? Hello, Kat Ako. Nolan, hello. Ann Santos, hello. Tactics, strategy can be learned, I'll tell you. Strategy, tactics. Alam mo ako, hindi naman sa pag-ano, pero I could teach tactics, strategy. I could share tactics and strategy. Pero I hope, ang hindi talaga mawawala, yung puso mo. Guys, nakakasukang isipin minsan sa totoo lang. Na maraming mga network marketers na ang daming mga network marketers na willing silang sirain ang tiwala ng tao. Willing silang sirain ang relasyon nila sa ibang tao. Willing silang lugmukin ang team nila para sa sarili ng kapakanan. Nakakasuka talaga sa totoo lang. Pero, on the other side, you can also be a network marketer na may puso. It's the only choice you have to make. Nakuha nyo? Maricoy Anabe, Wilma, hello Wilma, hello Hazel, kamusta? How are you? Dionima Labadan. Personal growth, we enter network marketing. Tama, Angel. Pero ano bang definition ng personal growth? Ang definition ng iba ng personal growth, akala nila nauutakan na ng ibang tao personal growth. Akala nila mas tuso na sila personal growth. Paano naging personal growth yun, di ba? Sinasabi ko lang. Tama? Akala nila dahil mas tricky na sila, mas magaling na sila magsinungaling personal growth. Personal growth ba yun? Tama? Personal growth ba yun? Yung hindi ka na naka-identify na mali ginagawa mo, tama pa rin sa paningin mo, personal growth ba yun? Nawala ng morality, personal growth ba yun? Dahil sa pera. So isipin natin, anong definition? How do you define personal growth? People thought na, people has a different definition about personal growth. Ikaw, paano mo gusto palaguin ang network marketing business mo? It's a decision you have to make. Nobody can make the decision for you. Ikaw dapat yan. Hindi kasi, coach, yung kultura ng team namin ganito. I don't care what your culture of your team is. I'm not talking about the culture of your team. You can be in a bad culture but still do the business the right thing. Then create your own culture. Or find another one who aligns with your culture. Hindi palaging pera. Hindi palaging pera. How about ikaw? Nag-agree ka ba na kailangan ng puso sa network marketing? Maniwala ka sa akin, tatagal ka sa network marketing pa sa ganoon yung tingin mo. Mas mag-i-ignite, mas iigting yung pakikipag-usap mo sa ibang tao kasi ganun yung paningin mo sa network marketing. Aim for high income. Aim for high target. But please, not at the expense of people. I've been here in this business for so long. And isa sa mga bagay na naging mission ko is, I wanna build this business the right way. I wanna build this business where I will really push further at the end of the day, not at the expense of my team, but because I really care for my team. Gineb Dimaranan, hello. I don't know if I make sense, guys. Hindi ko alam kung naiintindihan niyo. Panoorin niyo na lang ulit 'to para maintindihan natin. Anyway, if you're here right now listening, at saka hindi ka pa naka-register sa July 18, my July 18 free training is again free. That's 8 p.m. That's 9 p.m. Philippine Standard Time, July 18. That's Saturday. Saturday po 'yon. And I'm inviting everybody to register kung hindi ka pa naka-register. Okay? So, we're going to talk about 3 rejection-proof strategy for network marketing. And I'll see you there. If you find value to this, tag nyo yung mga ka-teammates nyo dito, share nyo tong video na to. And again, welcome po sa lahat ng mga nag-follow dito. I hope yung mga content natin, from our smallest content, shortest, and the longest content, or any content na nandito, nag-inspire sa'yo na i-grow ang network marketing business mo. Dahil naniniwala ako sa kakayahan mong umasenso, pero pag-asenso na may puso, pag-asenso na tama, pag-asenso na may integridad. God bless everybody. You guys are all amazing. Bye-bye.